Actually, we just spiked a little on the futures. I don't know what happened over there. Fairly light open. One of the reasons is because the market seems to be looking for an excuse to run, and they're trying to find it somewhere within the market. Now, 9:55, they'll get their excuse because Michigan sentiment comes out, and we've been having a bunch of very bullish numbers on sentiment, and since sentiment is not an actual measure of any kind of performance, but rather a measure of what the market or the people on the street are feeling is happening. And all of our news stories are telling us that things are getting better and the world is getting rosier and unemployment is, well, don't look at unemployment, but everything else is getting better. Because of all of that, I'm going to take the bold guess that Michigan sentiment number is going to beat expectations. And the market's going to use that the same way they used it a couple of weeks ago, and they're going to spike it up on the beating of expectations. Now, there are two trades to make in that. If you're very, very quick and you want to try to grab things into the number, you can do that. But the trade that we like better generally is wait for the spike. Let it spike, let it hit its extreme, and short the extreme. Take it quick. It doesn't mean they're taking the market down to zero after that, but they're going to, probably pull back off of where that initial spike was. So, in the morning, oil just went positive, which, kind of screws a little with the play that I was looking at. But, I'm still guessing, at least my initial guess, is that there's going to be a short on oil this morning. Gold might pull in a little as well, and steel, if they continue to open as high as they're looking, might also pull in. All these groups were very strong yesterday, and I'm guessing that the people who went home overnight, these groups are going to use the open as a chance to get out with profits, not knowing if there's anywhere to go specifically because none of them are getting a big commodity-based indication that the market should continue to run. So they'll probably take profits, so I'll probably try to, short in front of them and see if we can get out, get some stock short into that down move. Not looking for it to be an extended move. I'm not looking to have, I'm not looking to have a very big position going into Michigan, and I'm looking to use Michigan again as a chance to fade the extreme move. Now, I keep on saying that the market doesn't know which way to go. That's a big statement. There's a lot of very jittery people out there right now. The reason is because people recognize that the market is overextended. All around they recognize and they know that it's overextended, but no one wants to make that call of start getting short because the market's been squeezing the short so much. And what's going to happen is you're going to have those days in the not too distant future where the market actually takes a really big move down quietly initially, where the unexpected day where we're down 300 points or a couple of days in a row where we're down twos and ones, and the market's going to have a real pullback, and no one knows that it's coming or when it's coming because it's not as if the news is any worse now than it's been, or I don't think it's going to get any worse. It's just probably going to be a combination of buyers stopping to chase the markets and enough selling pressure to really pull us down. So people, I think, are kind of hesitant. We did just have a move up of about 3 more handles on the futures since we're sitting here and talking. They'll probably look to open up this market in that up 50-point range. And the question is what they can do there. They'll probably look to have this market on the lower side of whatever the initial bounce is going into Michigan sentiment. So even if we open it up 50 or 60 points, we'll probably pull it in close towards flat or negative, and then use Michigan to run it as hard as they possibly can, and use it as a chance to get short. It's Friday. For some of us, it's been a rough week. For others, it's been good. Just take it easy until you're getting the real indications from the market. And good luck.